Today we are starting from workout 18.1, that is in page number 206. So come to the first question. Here it is, 441 oranges were picked from Nisha's fruit garden. Oranges are to be kept in basket. Each basket will contain as many oranges, the spelling is wrong, it will be oranges, as there are a number of baskets. Let's calculate to find number of basket. The third line, that is each basket will contain as many oranges as there are number of baskets. This line is very important. Underline this line using pencil and try to understand this line. That means one basket, if there is only one basket, then that basket will contain only one orange. Okay. If there is two basket, then each basket will contain two orange. That means total it will be 4. If there are two basket, that means in first basket there is 2 orange, and again in the second basket there is also 2 orange. That means total orange will be 4. When there are 3 baskets, if there are 3 baskets, that means in the first basket there will be 3 orange, in the second there will be 3, and the other there will be also 3. That means total it will become 9 orange. That means always we are just getting the product. That means if we multiply 3 with 3, then we will get 9. If we multiply 2 with 2, then we will get 4. And if we multiply 1 with 1, we will get this number of orange. That means to get the total number of orange, we have to multiply this number, that means number of basket, with that number. Okay, we will multiply the same numbers. So here it means that in each basket there are some number of oranges which is equal to the number of basket. So at first we will write that. Okay. So we are starting the sum now. I have explained you how to do the calculation, but don't write that in your copy, just understand that. Okay. So write down total number of orange. Here it is given, total number of orange is 441. Okay. Now you have to write number of basket equal to number of orange in each basket. Okay. And to get the number of basket, therefore number of basket, how we will do that? We will do the square root of the given number. That means just before doing this sum, I have already told you that for 3 baskets the total number of orange was 9. So from 9, how we will get this 3? If we do the square root of 9, we will get in this way 3 into 3, and 1 3 will be outside. So this will be your answer. So in the similar way, we will just find the square root of the total number of orange, that is 441, and then we will get the number of basket. So how to do this? You already know how to do the square root. You can use factorization or you can use division method. The method which is easy for you, you can do any of them. Okay. So the answer will be in this way, 21 into 21. After doing the sum, you will get 21. If you do the calculation, I am not showing you, you will do it by your own in the rough work. Okay. So after getting this 221, we will take 121, and this is the number of basket. That means there are 21 baskets, and in each basket there are 21 oranges. In this way, in each basket we are having 21 oranges. So in 21 baskets there are total 441 orange. So write down the answer. There are 21 baskets. Okay. So we have completed question number 1.